Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hey, how are you doing? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Well, in today's video, I kind of just wanted to film like how I do my acrylic nails, I guess. So basically, you know, we are all on lockdown all over the world due to COVID-19. No nail shops. So I'm not gonna lie, my nails are looking horrific, like terrible. So I thought it'd be good for me to come on here and film a video of me kind of like fixing them, making them look somewhat better than they are right now. I know some of us may be struggling right now with all the nail shops closed, so we can't get our nails done, we can't get our weekly or fortnightly fix on doing our nails, so we're gonna have to learn to do it ourselves. Like guys, I don't think you understand, like they look so terrible that like they're literally overgrown. When I zoom up, you're gonna see how bad they look. From a distance they don't look too bad, but once you get up close and personal, now. But I don't have any professional kit. I know there are some people out there that have like professional nail kits and everything like that, but I don't. I'm just going to be using what I have and I'm going to try to make the most of it. A lot of you guys are going to be in the same position as me because we rarely do our nails, so we're going to be having to use it, whatever it is that's lying around. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my nails down, but yeah, they're super overgrown. You can see I need an infill. They're actually, my left thumb is actually chipping. They need cutting down, they need filing, and I'm going to paint them. I'm going to go with a white color. I just love the way white looks on my nail, so that's what I'm going to go for. So I have my nail varnishes, I have my nail files all laid out in front of me. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into the video. So hopefully you guys learn a trick or two from this and you're able to sort out your own nails during this time of lockdown. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video quite useful and helpful. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I achieve or how I sort out these tragic claws on my fingers right now. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is a close-up of my terrible looking nails right now. You can see the clear difference between the acrylic and my natural nails. So it's not looking very cute. So first things first, I'm going to go in with some nail polish remover. I've had this one for a while. It's from Superdrug and it does the job. And I'm just taking some cutting pads and I'm putting the nail polish remover on the pads and I'm just rubbing off the nail polish from my nails. Okay, so now that's all done. They're looking actually a lot better than I thought they would without the nail polish, but you can actually see the difference underneath between my natural nails and the acrylic. So I'm just going to take some nail clippers and I'm just going to, sorry, cut the acrylic down to where my natural nail actually begins, so you don't see like the clear difference between my nails and the acrylic. Be careful of the little flyaways or the little pieces that come, because when I first started cutting my nails, they were just flying everywhere, so I had to kind of like tone it down a little bit and not be so heavy-handed. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just cutting off the top of the acrylic. So yeah, now that's all done. Ignore that little piece. I don't know why I didn't just cut it off. But I'm basically showing you guys the clear bridge between my nails and the acrylic. So as you can see, as I'm touching my nails, it's kind of like getting caught on where the acrylic starts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a nail file, because I don't have a nail drill. If you have a nail drill, you can use this, but I'm just going to take a nail file and I'm going to file down the acrylic so it matches or it blends into my natural nail, so you don't have that kind of like you know, division of where my natural nail is and the acrylic starts. And I've also got like a little chip on my nail, so I just took the file and I'm chipping that down. So as you can see now, it's a lot more smoother when I run my nails through it. So here's the difference. So I'm just quickly going to do that to the rest of my nails. Yeah, be careful with all the dust. Like surprisingly, a lot of dust came off. I didn't expect it to be that much, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just going in again with my left hand and I'm just filing down the acrylic. And I'm not doing it too harshly, just a little bit, because the acrylic wasn't too thick in the first place anyway. So now that's all done, you can see my nails are looking a little bit bare. I think they're looking better. And I'm just going to go in with another file. This is a lot tougher and I'm just going to use this to shape the acrylic now. Well, yeah, shape the acrylic. So I'm just going for a standard square shape. Yeah, don't judge me. I just feel like square looks better when I have shorter nails rather than when I have long nails. So yeah, it just works better for my fingers. And because I have such tiny fingers as well, it just looks really cute, I think. So yeah, that's all filed down. So I've gone ahead and washed my hands. So just give me a thumbs up if you're liking the video so far. As you can see, oh yeah, so I mentioned, you can see there's like a little chip from where the acrylic came off. So I'm just taking this Primark glue that I found from one of my in one of my nail kits, and I'm just gluing down the nails. And I just look through my fingers to see if there's any other places where I feel like it could do with some glue to kind of like keep the acrylic in place. So yeah, that's all done now. So I'm going to go in with this rectangular nail file thing, and it has like the smooth, buff and shine. I've already gone ahead and shaped my nails, so I'm not going to use number 1, but I'm going to go in with number 2, and I'm just going to smooth, shine, and yeah, smooth, buff and shine my nails. And that's like just prepping before I put the nail polish on. So yeah, it does have a significant, well, it makes a significant difference. You guys can see, like, you know, my right hand is all shiny and looking smooth. So yeah, I do like using this tool. It sets a good foundation for nail polish. So yeah, all shiny and ready to go. Okay, so yeah, my hands were feeling a bit dry at this point, so I just went in with my Palmer's Shea Butter Hand Cream. Again, I think I picked this up from Superdrug, and I just carry it in my handbag everywhere I go, basically. But yeah, my hands were just feeling really dry. And at this point, I'd say if you have cuticle oils, definitely put it on your nails. I don't, so I just went in and used some of the residue from the hand cream, and I just put it onto my nail beds as well. So yeah, they're looking cute. I'm liking the way it looks. You can see it looks a lot more cleaner, put together, and I'm ready for nail polish. So I'm going in with this Primark gel nail polish effect. It was £1. I picked it up from Primark, and yeah, it's a nice white color, so I'm just going in with that, and I'm just painting my nails. Yeah, guys, don't judge me. I'm not the best at painting my nails. Don't judge me. You guys can see I'm actually like making a huge mess. And funny enough, was this with my left hand or my right hand? I can't tell now. I was painting my right hand. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So I'm right-handed. So yeah, my right hand was looking really tragic. So yeah, don't judge me. I'm not the best, but I got the job done. Oh yeah, and I'm taking my hair dryer, and I'm just drying my nails just to speed up the process a little bit, because that nail polish is really thick, and I went in with 2 coats, and because it does have like that gel-like texture, it takes forever to dry. So I went in with my hair dryer just to kind of speed up the process before I started painting on my left hand, so I don't get any smudges or make any mistakes. So yeah, surprisingly, came out fine, looking all good. And again, I'm just using my hairdryer to dry my nails. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with some top coat. This is from the Makeup Academy. It's just a clear top coat. You can use any top coat that you have that's clear. And I'm just sealing in. Well, I guess I'm just doing the final product. I just put it on to, you know, add extra shine. And yeah, that is really it. So you guys saw the process. My nails are looking cute. And yeah, I'm happy with the way they turned out. So yeah, I'm just going to do it. Yeah, I forgot. I made some mistakes here. So I'm just going to show you guys how I clean that up. I'm just taking some earbuds and I'm going with the nail polish remover, and I'm just using small earbuds because you can get into those tiny places where you made mistakes and you don't have to use cotton pads, because I feel like it takes off quite a bit of nail polish if you get them on your nail. So this is just, you're able to control kind of like the areas that you're cleaning, you know, all the mistakes, or getting rid of all the mistakes. And yeah, they do dry quite quickly, so don't be afraid to use multiple earbuds and go in with more nail polish remover. So yeah, I'm just cleaning all my mistakes now, and that is it. So you're going to see my nails in a second. Yeah, I'm also cleaning off all the mistakes I made on my fingers because I'm terrible at painting my nails. Don't judge me, guys, please. Okay. So yeah, my nails are now done. You guys can see. I'm going to zoom in now, I think, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Surprisingly, really good. Like, no, thumbs up, guys. Like, come on, they look amazing. So yeah, that's really it. And now I think I'm going to do my outro. So yeah, listen out for that. But yeah, they look cute. I'm happy. Okay guys, so my nails are finally done. Yeah, it took forever to film. I forgot that I'd had to wait for my nails to dry and then keep moving on and on and on. And because this is like a gel-like texture, It did take a little longer to dry, but I'm quite pleased with the results. I did use my hairdryer, as you guys saw. I tend to do that a lot, but it still doesn't like dry all the way through. So I still got to be a little bit careful because, I mean, they're dry for the most part, but I don't want to like smudge them or anything like that. So I'm going to still be careful with my nails. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the way they turned out. So that's good. And I hope you guys were able to take away some tips from this. And yeah, you guys can save your nails during this time in quarantine and lockdown, because it's real. If there's any time to learn to do your nails, now is the time. So yeah, I've got a fresh new set of nails and I feel cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And there's not much else to say. My nails are looking cute. Yeah, this is it for the most part. You guys saw everything I used. This was everything I already owned. I bought nothing. But yeah, everything's seamless. Nothing's catching. It looks great. I'm happy. And my hands are gonna be doing all of that. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to take away some tips in order to, you know, sort out your nails. Anyway, good luck. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. With my nails. Bye. I got first set of nails, honey.